mā koutou, Kor Troy taku ingoa. My name is Troy. It's day 5 of term 2.
And more today, Winton School, Kor Kason, ahau. I am Kason. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our Mere, the 6th of May.
Okay, let's get into kupu or te wiki. This week's word is hua-rakau, which is te reo for fruit.
As in aporo.
I.
As in panana.
I.
Hua-rakau, which is te reo for fruit.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. VIZ VESTS. We need to wear them to and from school.
Especially as the mornings are getting darker and darker.
Okay, it's sausage sizzle, hot chocolate and cookie day. Please remember to line up nicely, use your manners and wait patiently while getting your kai.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Tiki and magazine team news. Those students who have entered a photo into the Southland Museum exhibit, please meet Mr. T in the group room at morning tea.
This is mega important, so please don't miss it.
All year 7 and 8 basketball players to meet at the new courts at 12:40 for a lunchtime practice with Mr. T. Thank you.
Birthday news. One birthday today at Winton School. Emily Wilson is officially a teenager. She's 13.
And on Sunday, Malachi Todd turns 10 and Kate Kane turns 8. La whānau ki koutou. Have a fun birthday.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite ra te wiki. See you next week.
Haere and stay sharp, Winton School.